Appellate Division has upheld the status quo on the eviction of Mironzila Harichandpalli in capital Dhaka. As a result, Dhaka South City Corporation has not been able to carry out the eviction drive until the matter is settled in the High Court. This order was given by the full appellate bench headed by Chief Justice. It has also been ordered to settle the ruling given by the High Court within 2 months. Earlier, on June 13, High Court suspended the eviction drive in the view of the writ petition. Besides, the rule was issued asking why the eviction of Mironzila village without any notice should not be declared illegal. But the corporation tried to evict again on Wednesday. The Appellate Division has asked the High Court to file a contempt case in this regard.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।